So for the detail view, this is what we want to achieve, right? We want to achieve a nice image of a dish, larger image with a frame and a drop shadow there, and then the list of ingredients. And then the background of the ingredients is going to have a scrunched paper effect. This is also another design that we have. Oops. Okay, anyways, let's stop that and then try to implement this application. Okay, to do that, let's go back to our detail view. So now we have an image view here. We're going to do something similar to what we did for the list view. So let's drag another image view into the stage. This is going to be what we're going to use for the frame. So if I drag that there, and then I'm going to use a frame image. So going back to our resources, we have a details photo mask, which is kind of similar to what we had for our list mask, but it's just a little bit larger. So if I close that, then go back to the application, it's called that details photo mask, and then we need to resize that a little bit. So then we'll try to align the image. Let's make this down a little bit, 9 as well. Yeah, that looks more like it. Okay, let's make the text for that one red. So we go to the text color. Let's make that red. And also, do we want to make that a little bit thicker? Yeah, let's try that. Or make it larger a little bit. Okay. And then we need the paper, the scrunched paper image for the background of this. So what we'll do is drag another image view, and the thing that is called ingredients list. Let me show you that. So this is the design element. That's the scrunch paper view. So as you can see, what we're basically doing is just grabbing design image, like design elements, and I'm putting them all together into one to give like a coherent theme to the app. So let's drag that to the back of, to the top of that. So now that's covering our text view, so we need to send that to the back. So our text view needs a transparent image just so that we can see the background in that. So to do that, I'll select that and then go to the side here and then select the background and then choose the clear color, so that makes it transparent. We don't want to be able to edit that, so I'm going to take that out, and we're done. I think, okay, what's left is the background of this view. There are two ways to do it. If you go back to the recipe list, so what we did was for the background, the recipe cell. For the background recipe cell, we use an image view. So now I'm actually going to show you a different way of getting the background for your views, and that's using the UI, like color patterns. So let's leave that as it is right now, and let's run that and see what we get. Okay, so if I tap on that, you will see that we have our image in here, and it looks like our image has been moved up, and it's not aligned with let's go back to our detail and try to figure that out. So back to our detail view, it's possible that the frame and the image have different sizing, auto sizing metrics here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so here you can see that the frame has a fixed width, fixed height auto sizing metrics, and the image itself has a flexible width and flexible height one. Whatever you choose, they both have to be the same for the frame effect to work, right? So let's take that off. This app is going to be work only in the landscape mode, sorry, in the portrait mode. If you are going to make an app that's going to be able to work in landscape as well, then you're going to have to do a little bit more, but for now let's keep it simple. So I make both of them have the same auto sizing parameters, and let's run that, and then yeah, that looks nice now. So now we have our dish in a frame, the photo in a frame, and it looks like our ingredients are falling off the screen a little bit, so we need to add a scroll view so the user can basically bounce up and down with the view. So we're going to add a scroll view in a new video and also customize the background of our view.